Living in Paris is a little bit all about finding joie de vivre, a little bit of joy in everyday life, in the simple things, the big things, the small things. It's all about joie de vivre in Paris. Hi, my name is Ajiri. I'm the founder of Madame de la Maison, and we are here at my Parisian apartment in the 11e of Paris. I live here with my husband and my 2 children. By day, it's sort of Madame de la Maison's like cabinet of curiosities and my treasures. By evening, I'm Mommy de la Maison and, you know, still a little bit Madame of the house. Allez, let's go see my apartment. So we live in a traditional Haussmannian building built in the 19th century. We love it because it's very typical Parisian with all the trappings, all the doors, and beautiful interior architectural details. So we're here in my salon, you know, where I welcome my guests. We sit around, we have drinks, we spend time together in this space. We have these 2 beautiful Louis XV chairs. I also have this 1950s sideboard, and it is chock full of all of my antique glassware. I love mix and match glassware, and it's a conversation piece. I have a print by Jessica Antola, who is a dear friend and the photographer of my book, Joie. And I really love it because it reminds me of my aunties, and I like to look at that when I'm in this space every day. And this beautiful Nigerian piece my aunt gave to me, and my kids love playing it, and I kind of love that, this was something I played with as a kid and now they play with. The wall color in here, originally it was all white, but I needed color in these rooms. So I went for taupe, and it really works with the color in the dining room, which I'm gonna show you next. Something that I've learned from living in France is that gathering at the table is so important. So the color I chosen here feels like a French blue to me, typical like Provençal color. The chandelier I got at Habitat, which is a store here in Paris, and now it is an amazing centerpiece that everybody wants to know where I got it from. So something typical about Haussmannian buildings are they all have these beautiful marble fireplaces, and ours came with this inlaid mirror, which also serves as a beautiful backdrop for, when we're sitting at the table. We love to come out here. I mean, the view is insane. You go down here, there's a beautiful church, and this view, you get to see this lineup of these beautiful buildings on the avenue, and you walk around to the other side if you don't have vertigo, and there's a whole nother view. And it opens to every room in the apartment, including my bedroom. So in here, we wanted the space to be a little calmer and moodier. So we decided to paint the wall black and have it a little bit less furniture in the space. So instead of having a headboard, we decided to collect antique floral paintings, Madame de la Maison pillows from our collection, the solid pillows, and I mixed them with some other brands that I love. We also built the shelves, which is a nice space for more books. I put my jewelry out here and antique appetizer serving dishes, which I think kind of looks beautiful together. So now you see how I live, let me show you how I work. I think what makes a great table setting is that you put something into it, you put some thought into it. It's a gift to your guests, it's a gift to yourself. It's the way that you enhance and elevate the mood is by adding linens, adding pretty plates. For the most part, I would say the way that I put things together is I love to mix and match things. While my plates are mix and match, my forks and knives, my glassware, I have this blue tablecloth which ties in with the blue of the plates. So I find ways to kind of bring it all together without having this exact match. And another touch I think that's kind of special is having a runner that is low so you can see the people that you're sitting with. And one of the runners I love is a floral runner. It's fun, it's whimsical, it's just another touch. Et voila, this table is ready to go. So as you can see, living in Paris is all about learning to find joie and joy in life every day. And that starts with sitting at the table, gathering at the table with people that you love, and surrounding yourselves with items in your home that bring you joy. Thank you for taking a look. See you later. Au revoir.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.